What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the time has been set. Mark your calendars. Maserati just gave us this short teaser this morning telling us that the Maserati Ghibli hybrid unveiling is set for July 15th. That's right, an actual month away from today's date. Now, with that said, we were supposed to see it back in April. I mean, Maserati announced the Ghibli hybrid a while ago, and we were going to see it at the Beijing Motor Show, but with the pandemic, we didn't actually know when Maserati was going to plan to reschedule the launch of the Ghibli. Well, Maserati will hold the official event on Wednesday, July 15th, to give us a first look at the Ghibli hybrid and more of an idea of what will come next in the new era that is eco-friendly with hybrids and EVs. Now, this entirely new lineup of eco-friendly models from Maserati is being marketed as Mark the Next campaign. So you can see that the Ghibli hybrid is going to be the first one of its kind. Now, from Maserati, they say Maserati sparks with a new audacious energy, taking the House of the Trident to the future. This is the story of the evolution ignited by clash between opposing forces, cultures, and worlds. Clashes that unite, that become the very catalyst of evolution themselves. Now, it's very exciting to see that many automakers change their approach when it comes to designing eco-friendly vehicles, even when it's not their forte. Now, in fact, it's entirely clear by this point that you must have a high-quality alternative option in order to make it in the automotive industry. Now, when it comes to the Maserati Ghibli hybrid, don't have many details. We've seen these spy shots. We've seen, a little bit of exterior change, but not much. We've seen that there's going to be probably a large interior change, like the infotainment system and the instrument cluster. But in efforts of Maserati's marketing department, there aren't any indication for sure. So don't be surprised to feel a little bit shocked when the official unveiling takes place a month from now. You have to welcome the shock and innovation from Maserati. In order to survive, you have to adapt. I know it sounds very sacrilegious to have a hybrid model of the Maserati or an EV model of a Maserati, but with that said, you've seen cars like the hypercar, the LaFerrari, which is a hybrid model. We know that it really can perform. We're just worried about that signature Maserati music. We know that EVs can perform when you're talking about the 60s and electric powered Teslas and things like that. But again, we are worried about that Maserati music, that sound, the engine, the exhaust, that really gives it its essence, its soul, and it's the character of Maserati vehicles. But with that said, this is the last teaser we'll probably see of the Ghibli hybrid, but we have a release date. So we'll have to wait just a short month to see what this car is really about. Now, with that said, let me know down in the comments below. Are you guys excited about the Ghibli hybrid, or are you indifferent? You're not exactly sure how to feel about something like this coming out. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up so get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Maserati Ghibli hybrid coming out in a month. Make sure you check the links down below. In case you want to help further support the channel, where I have my Ron's Rise merch. All right, I have my Ron's Rise PayPal link where you can do a donation for $1 or $2 to the channel, and you can do the Ron's Rise Patreon as well. Also check out the social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. See everything that I'm posting that doesn't always make it to the Ron's Rise channel. Now, with that said, make sure you guys subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox. But with that said, guys, be blessed, be safe, all right, and have a great day. We'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.